So a lot of people ask how farm life is. This is how farm life is. She's supposed to be right in there with her sister and Booger. She's getting out.
Hey, girl.
Well, bring her over. She's in paddock too. All right, I'll go open up the fence. Came back here to check the goats. I see two yelling for them. Normally they just come running, but they're too busy grazing, I guess, to give a hoot. And there's Elvis, just ignoring the crap out of me. If you guys are wondering what's on her horns, Mom, she duct taped that stick on it, which there's a video back, I don't know, like probably 4 or 5 videos back of her doing that, but must be working. She ain't got her head stuck since. All right, so she had some babies. Hi, Mama. It's always best to touch the mom, especially if you got multiple rabbits. That way you get her scent on your hands when you go touching the babies. Otherwise, she could kill her babies. Let's see, we got 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like we got 8. 8 babies. Looks like we got, at least, we got 2 blue ones, 2 white, and the rest look like they're all gonna be black. Good job, Mama. So Jen decided today, instead of doing construction on the house, we're gonna take a break, and she wanted to do some weeding, which it really needs weeded. She got this section done. Still got to do this inside, but she says she don't want to go home till it's all done.
Or starts raining.
Or starts raining. So I may have to do another dance, guys.
Well, we were very thankful we got the rain, but then of course that makes the grass grow. But that's okay because Bill enjoys mowing the grass. He just wishes that we had more yard because we took part of the yard for the gardens and things. But he's at it.
Reagan's giving our new mower a try. Is it working good, Sissy?
Yeah.
All right, so this is the 3rd year for these blackberries, and they're doing really, really, really good. Got quite a few black ones on now. Of course, they like to hide up under the leaves where you can't really see them, but got several that are ready.
We're gonna show Grandpa some watermelons.
Okay, we're just waiting on Grandpa to get out here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Come on, Bacon. Where we going? Where we going? A bunch of little ones.
We'll go through the tomato first. All right. So first off, we have cantaloupe growing. And I know you like cantaloupe, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
That one down there, it's looking close to being ready.
Oh,
See that watermelon there? Right by the tail. The watermelon there.
yeah, boy.
We got
Getting big.
we got different kind of watermelon. Yeah, we got the one there by the chair, but we have one down here too. Look
This
here,
one down here.
and then look over there.
Got two of them over here. Look at that.
Corbin, do you like to eat watermelon?
Yeah.
Awesome.
How about mushmelons? We got a couple up here growing.
Yep, got that little cantaloupe. Let's go out and see a pumpkin.
Okay.
So yeah, our pumpkins are growing. Squash.
Yeah, we got it all kind of in there. And some cushaw, and there's a pumpkin, white pumpkin. I'm coming.
Found a big pumpkin over here.
Yep, you found the big one.
I want two shaws. Look like 500 fish.
Yep. Don't mess with it.
There it is.
It is. Grandpa, come on up here and look at this one.
Oh boy, that's a big in there. Purple.
It is nice and big. What do you think? Are we ready for making jack-o'-lanterns?
Too early.
No.
No.
Go walk on a plane.
Well, we hatched out some more baby chicks. We lost about 50 chickens to the raccoons and possums and all. So we hatched out some more.
So we have caught 6 coons now and 1 possum, and we had the cage over there. Now we got, hush up. So how we're catching these and not mom's cats is we're putting whole eggs in there. So if you put whole eggs without busting them in a trap, the cats won't go in there, just the wildlife. So keep that as a little tip. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there, that is a pawpaw. Now I'll let these grow right here close to the wood lines, actually in the pen. Holy moly. Pawpaws, Indiana bananas. And guys, this looks like it's gonna be a good year for pawpaws. Some there, just all over. There's a bunch of them there. Got some way up there at the top. So let's see if we can get some down here close. All right, here's a couple. All right, so now these are too green to be picking right now. We want them to, we want them when they start getting some spots. We want them when they're getting good and ripe. And we might pick them when they're green and they're big as my hand or something. We might go ahead and do it then, but some of them. But what we usually do is we'll just grab a hold of the tree and we'll shake. And if they're ready, they'll start falling. We try not to actually pick them by hand. So Yeah, it's going to be a good year for the old pawpaws. Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.